T402. All these buttons are not working. T402. This button #0 *0#. Every other one is working. All this line is not working. Then get your meter. The issue is from the center button. The center button is not reading. You can see they are all connected. It's not reading. Center button is not reading. It's connected. You can see it's not reading. It's not reading. It's not reading. So how do you trace it? Get your picker, turn on the phone. On the phone with your picker. Remove this thing on the phone. Then you place from the outer one. Place your picker from the outer one. Check one after the other. You can see that one is not working. Check this. So it's not giving you the. Check inner circle of this one. It's not working. This one is giving one. Check inner circle of this one. You can see the center. The menu, the center of the menu is the connection. Center of the menu is the connection. Center of the menu is the connection. Jumper from this menu center to the center of this, center of anyone here, just from the menu center to center of anyone here. From center of menu to anyone out here. Can see the connection from here to here. Can see the construction wire. Now the button is working. Yeah, your job is done. Like and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe.